All right, you saw the video description, you know what I'm doing, let's get to it. Need to start with a legitimate package, unopened. That's just to cover my address. How do I want to do this? So, I was hoping it was taped like down to here and then had like just regular packing tape down here, but it didn't. So I want this to look untouched on my front porch. So I'm gonna put it about here, my shallow cut. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Another shallow cut here. Another shallow cut here. Okay, let's go to the other side now. I want my other knife. All right. Just the curved belly. This is a little more advantageous. There we go. So by cutting the tape and peeling some of the cardboard away, I'll be able to re-tape it down with nothing visible on the sides. So through the magic of internet, poof, it's gonna be done. Or through the laziness of I don't feel like editing the video, you get to watch me do it again. Fine, that doesn't need to be perfect. One thing I'm happy to see is how short that is. So let's get this guy in here. If you wonder why I'm using two knives, I always keep a good edge on this one. I normally do with this, but I just moved and I've been cutting a ton of boxes, so. Yeah. This was a legit package, so, oh look, deodorant, plumbing supplies. Oh, now it's a box. Now this weighs nothing. This does not. And I measured perfect. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Bicycle alarms. They're battery powered. They last forever. They're cheap. This was 14 bucks on Amazon. The alarm, the remote, all those other doodads. Frankly, if I don't lose this, I might repurpose this maybe for a motorcycle or something and just, you know, hide it under the seat or something. So let's not do permanent mount. This is probably one of those battery disconnector things. Let me check. Arm, nothing. Wow, that is freaking loud. I'm so happy. I'll put this down. That is stupid loud. That is stupid loud. So I'm gonna put this like this on the book. Get some packing tape. By the way, Java 1.2. This book is worthless. You steal this from me, you're getting a $14 alarm without the remote. Java 1.2. This book hasn't been relevant this century. This book is, it's kindling. So we just want to tape it down so it doesn't go anywhere. I don't want anything rattling around the box. And I suspect it's going to get dropped and beaten up a little bit. So now, not going anywhere. Unfortunately, I got to put it in upside down for now because I want the volume towards the top of the box. The speaker facing up. All right. This is freaking great. So put this down, that down. I gotta get the tape back. All right, so it's gonna be a two-step process. First, we're gonna tape here. suck at this. I really suck at this. We'll come back and hit that again. What's going on under the box doesn't matter as much. It's not what the bad guy's gonna see. He's gonna see dollar signs. He's gonna pick it up, and this thing is gonna be making a ton of noise before he knows what the hell happened. There we go, that's a lot better. Much better. Small pieces here. Just gotta hold this back down. So now from the sides, that looks undisturbed. Some... Oh, that's good water. Ah. And yes, it's Monday, I know. All right. I think that means it's armed. The hell was that? Because I moved. Let's have this in hand with my finger on the button. Oh, I cannot wait. I have a camera set up because I was visited by a package thief. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yeah.